Hey guys, my name's Jansen Fancher. I'm with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Come take a look at this beautiful 2019 Harris Float Boat 250 Grand Mariner. You'll come aboard with me. Got the black sapphire with the lovely blue accent here. Got a dune colored trim. Easy access to get into your storage. Super easy, dual hinge. Plenty of storage all over the boat. You can't find enough storage here. Who knows? Full cover enclosed here. You have the LED accent lighting package here, along with dual USB fast chargers. On this side, you have the same thing. So your phone will never be without a charge. Down here is your ski tow storage area. Got a nice 10-inch subwoofer here. Over here, another changing station. Storage. Right here, additional storage, as well as your fire extinguisher and removable cup holders. Dual captain's chairs, so no one's left out of the conversation. Up top we have the sport top with the tow access here, as well as on the rear above the engine. We have a 350 Mercury Verado powering this. If you'll take a look at our dash, you've got a Simrad display, JL audio head unit, powered by Bluetooth, aux. It's up to you, however you want. Switch control panel here, change the color of your LEDs, little horn. As we approach the rear, my favorite, got a little lounger here, and let's say you don't want all this space, you want to have everyone up front. Super easy, jumps into place. Additional storage here. Got your battery access here, along with your switch. And back here, you have some extreme storage. Fenders, we have 2 in there currently. The remote here, more charging ports, as well as a cigarette lighter. If you have any other questions or comments or concerns, give me a call 573-606-3029.